Here's a seldom photographed and filmed part of Macau, and I'm going to tell you all about it in a minute. I'll show you where we're at real quick. There's Macau Tower, and we're going to focus on this one today. We're going to walk down this path. Let's check it out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're between water of Macau on this side. This is Macau side, and then that side is the Zhuhai side. So we're in between the two, and we got some boats in the middle. These boats have, I think they're China jurisdiction, so I don't think that Macau people can use these ones, but I think Chinese, you know, can park them. Oh yeah, there's even a Chinese flag, so that's how much water rights they have around this area. Just for some perspective, there's a bunch of docks all the way over here, so people will do their shipping in this area. This one is, there's some kind of tourist stuff here, and then this is Amma Temple, and then there's Macau Tower. So there's a lot of tourist stuff right here, and some beautiful housing up in this area. And they have like kind of a little thing to dragon boats right there as well. But we're going to be focusing on this. So on the other side is Zhuhai. So we have Macau side and Zhuhai, and I think actually this is all Zhuhai right here, all these mountains, and you can see that they build all these buildings kind of on the periphery part. So I don't know, I think in the future they're planning on this to be, you know, maybe there's a way to connect the two. Might turn into something really spectacular. But at the moment it's separated by countries. Well, not by countries, by passport control, whatever that would be called. So yep, there's the Macau Tower in the background. All these buildings over there are also part of Zhuhai. So the way that this curves is kind of curving around, with the other massive land being China. And of course we're in the Macau side. And those buildings over there, there's some cranes up in the air, and those ones are part of Hengqin. So Hengqin is separated by a bridge. So this is kind of like part of Zhuhai, and then there's like a waterway in between the two. And then all that over there is Hengqin. And some of that is going to be built into like a financial area. So that financial area will have, I think they might be kind of based for Macau. So it's supposed to be targeting towards patakas, interchanging with Chinese yuan, and all the money is from the Portuguese and Spanish speaking world. So I think they're really, you know, China's really trying to be a part of this big global community. Actually, that's called Peña. There's a church up on top of that hill. You're in that hill that's in front of Macau Tower. Yeah, not many people walk down this way. Every time I come down here, it just feels like there's kind of like a mainland Chinese feel. So there's really nothing to really do. But now that I'm here, I can see where it's be quite pleasant. You can smell a strong fish smell, and I guess people would if you park their mopeds, and you could just kick back and relax. So we're just going to try to walk around the periphery and just see how far we can go. There's a speedboat. I wonder if that's there's a Macau flag. I wonder if that's like a Coast Guard kind of thing. And then it's kind of end of the line for some of the buses, so they can stay here, park and stay here, and 11 bus. Okay. Looks like a good spot to go fishing. So we're just gonna keep on walking. I've never been in this area before, so it's kind of interesting. And actually I would have preferred to be in the daytime, but actually nighttime is even better for this particular trip, because I can still see everything well. And then also you can see all the lit up neon lights of the Zhuhai side. So it's actually pretty cool. And it looks like a popular place to go fishing as well. Huh. Learn something new about Macau all the time. Didn't know there's a bunch of people that fish here all the time. And I got some buses here that can take me to the border or to Taipa. Let's see if you can follow a line. So the line goes like right in there. Okay. So it looks like there's also some like bus drivers that kind of do take their breaks in this area. And in the middle, I think that's a barge of sand. So that sand, I think, is going to be going to all this reclaimed land areas. Huh. So yeah, it looks like there's a lot of cranes in this area too. Huh. Could almost be a whole other video, which I think it might be. So yeah, this one looks like we're gonna come to an ending here, and then we're gonna get upon a bunch of cranes. Yep, this is, I don't want the video to be too long, but that's Zhuhai. So I think that's like kind of the financial center. So it looks pretty cool, illuminates the sky. You'd think it's part of Macau from a lot of parts of Macau, but it's actually part of China. So yeah, all of that is China, and then all of this over here is all Macau. And there's Macau Tower way up there, kind of hidden from that mountain, strangely enough. And we're gonna end it right there.